Hello everyone, this is Vinay here from Learn Coding with Vinay again, and this is the 15th video of the video series where we are building employee management system using ASP.NET Core MVC and ChatGPT. In the 14th video, I said that will be the last video, but that is actually not. We have missed one small module, read only module, that we will go through on this video. So we have missed this my details. If I go to my details, logged in users employee details should be displayed, and there is one more. If we go to manage employees, if we go to details of the employee, then the employee details should be displayed. Right, so this is one thing that we need to implement. So let me log out from here, let me close this, and let me take you to the prompt. I have already written the prompt and generated the chat gpt code, right? So here I said we missed to create video for my details page. We have my details at two places, my details menu and employee card details page. Here we just need to display all possible employee details using a nice bootstrap card. We can ignore password and salt field. Please guide step by step here, and for controller code razor view, and if required, create the view models also, new view model. Right. So let what it has come up with. First one, let's try to follow the step. First it says let's create the view model. So let me go over here, let me go to view models. Let me minimize this a little bit. Okay, view model, I'll say right click, add class. Let me just copy paste the name over here, and let's say add, and let me go to chat gpt and copy the entire code and come over here and paste it. Okay, so this is good, first step is done. Now the second step, it says the controller code, where we will be, where my details, I have already implemented the blank method my details. We'll just replace it with what chat gpt gave. So let me replace this, right? Okay, it's so in session helper it is not the get my details. Let me see if we have somewhere over here. Do we have session use somewhere? This is security helper. Let me go at the bottom, and let me just say it is not what we have, get logged in user. Okay, great. And let me just say id. And so this is good, and this is one more method that we need to add. Let me this copy also this, and let me paste it over here, right? And there is a static method that retrieves the sorry, employee details, right? So this is all good. Reporting to dot full name. Okay. Why we don't have this? Okay, it's not image name, it is image url. For us it is the image url. Okay, and reporting to dot full name. Why we don't have this? It does not have a full name extension method. Okay, so what is it? We are reporting? Okay, reporting to name, emp dot reporting to. No, it's not reporting to full name, or ideally it should be, let's say, no. Let me go to this, the employee x into reporting to. No. Okay, so let me uh, comment out this as of now. Let me comment out this as of now. Will not display it. Will correct it later. So rest everything looks good. Okay, now let's move to the view. So in this is employee details. Okay, copy. Let me copy this. So we'll have to go to details over here, and I'll say control A and control V. We'll say control S, and we will remove that reporting to as of now. Let's say where is that. Okay, reporting to name, we will remove this as of now. Control KC, right? and in the second view also. Okay, no, so there isn't any. This is employee view. Okay, so we also have to copy the same code to my details also. So let me do control V over here, and I'll remove this as of now. Control KC. Right, and let's run and see. Okay, so we have errors. I understand. Yeah, it is. We will have to say using POC EMS dot view models. And this one was missing. So let me take this and let me do same over here also. Okay, great. View employee details, view models. Great. So let's try running it again. Okay, so I have logged in using admin. Let's say my details. What do we get on my details? If it comes up or if it generates any error. Let's see. Okay, there is an error. So we'll have to fix it. Okay. Reporting is invalid inside include operation. Okay. So let me just comment out reporting to as of now. I think since we are referencing the same table, reporting to is actually ID of the employee table only. So include might not work. We might have to use joins. So let's see as of now. I have changed this, and let's see. I'm saving this, and let's see what is the what's it coming up over here. If it's not, then we might have to do this again. Let me go to home again. Let me go to my details. Okay, so it couldn't found the my details was not found. Okay, because while we did copy pasting, yeah, here it should be details, and here it should be my details, and we created two different views. Let me save this, and let's go to browser. Okay, it is printing. Yeah, okay, so it is displayed, right, but image is missing, right? So I know this is why. So image, actually we will have to, oh, where is the image, where is the image? Okay, here it's not upload, it's img/emp, right? Let me save this and let's see this. Okay, so it got displayed. Okay, so let me do the same for details view also. It's not, it's img-emp, right? And let's go to over here, let it get refreshed. So let me go to manage employees. Let me go to Saurav Ganguly. Let's say details. Okay, so we have Ganguly's details, right? It is coming up. Good. It is coming up. Good. So both of these, my details and from details from here, it is coming good. But let me see if I go to my detail, I don't have the reporting manager. So let's try to get this reporting manager. So let's ask ChatGPT only. So let me inform it that error on first this, and what was the second line over here, reporting name is equal to this also. So let's see, and this also. Let me push it. Let's see what does it say. Okay, so I had to inform ChatGPT that, let me tell you what I did. So first, when we said we had error, right? It gave again the code of an entity framework only using include. Now, since we don't have defined reporting to as foreign key in employee entity, let me take you to the employee entity over here. See, reporting to is actually just integer only. we don't have defined foreign key because it is referencing the same table, right? And at the same time this can be null also, right? So we have not referred this as a foreign key, just like role id. Here we have role id that is referred as foreign key, right? We could have done this, but since we have not done, then this dot include will not work. So what we need to do, so I inform ChatGPT again that, let me, since reporting to is not used as a foreign key in employee entity, we might have to manage this using lambda and link queue queries for joins, right? So that's why it gave us the this method, you know. So we will just I'll just what I'll say. Let me copy this. Let me copy entirely this my details, and let's go to employee controller. I'll say control s. I'll say my details. No, rather than my details, what we'll be doing, let's just replace these. No, just let's just replace this in this method. In this method. So we'll be deleting this, we'll be copy pasting this, and also this will not be the case. User ID is equal to, let me make it ID coming from above, and it is not view my details actually. Now it is view employee details. Okay, so let me go over here. This is view employee details, right? And image path. Okay, now what is the problem with image path? It image path or image URL actually? Image, let me go over here. It's image name over here. Okay, so this has to be image name, and this will be probably image URL. Okay, great. So this is okay, this is okay, this is okay, this is okay, this is okay. So what we did over here, we joined employee, and we joined employee to employee again, right? Just like we do it in SQL, self join kind of thing, right? And we retrieve the details using this. Now this is done. So I think we have error because we have not written emp return return emp control k. Let me align this, right? Okay, now if we go to respective views, we should have these. Let's say control ku reporting to name. I hope it is this reporting to name only. Okay, in this also and in this also. Let me do this quickly. Right, now let me run this and let's see. So I am logging using admin again. Let's see what happened this time. Login is loading up. Okay, so let's go to my details page. Okay, so we have my detail, but we don't see reporting to anybody. Okay, we don't see the name. Okay, let's go over here. Let's go over here, and let's try this detail section also. Probably it will be same. Okay, so here it is coming. Yeah, yeah. Okay, because my details is actually logged in employees details, so he reports to nobody, right? So that's why it is blank. But if we go to over here, employees, we saw Ajit Agarkar's record. Let's see this record again. So we have reporting to Saurav Ganguly, right? So this is the, this was the final piece that was pending, and so this video series will be of actually 15 videos, right? So thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy the series. Thanks a lot, guys.